Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Spotify playing random songs. Now, before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So, what you want to do is update Spotify if needed. So just go to App Store or Google Play Store, type in Spotify, not Shopify, and update it if it needs to be updated. From there, you want to open Spotify, and what you want to do is disable shuffle, because if it's turned on, it's going to start playing random songs inside your playlist or outside your playlist. So you want this to be turned on. And also, if it's playing more random songs, like if you started with techno and then it went to rap, you can always click on this button, the minus one, and it's going to hide it and not recommend you that song again. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.